This car drives itself. That's AI. AI and LLM. Two terms you hear everywhere, but they're not the same thing. People mix them up. Marketers make it worse. Let's break it down properly. AI is the big umbrella. Any machine that acts smart. It can see, hear, move, and decide. A thermostat that learns your schedule is AI. A robot that vacuums your floor is AI. Netflix picking what you watch next is AI. An LLM is one specific type of AI. It only does one thing. It understands and generates language. ChatGPT is an LLM. Claude is an LLM. Gemini is an LLM. They read text, predict the next word, and give you answers. So all LLMs are AI. But not all AI is an LLM. Your self-driving car uses AI to see the road and AI to control the wheel. But it doesn't use an LLM to talk to you. Your smart speaker uses AI to hear your voice. Then it might use an LLM to figure out what you said and reply. Think of it like this. AI is the category vehicles. An LLM is sedans. A sedan is always a vehicle. But a vehicle isn't always a sedan. It could be a truck, a motorcycle, or a Tesla. Next time someone says, "Our product uses AI," ask them, "Is it an LLM or something else?"